Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. This isn't really so much of an instructional video. It's kind of giving you some information before you tackle a job like this or diagnose one. Anyway, this is a 2017 Nissan Rogue. A couple weeks ago, a customer came in. The Rogue sat for about a month. Her husband had surgery and didn't drive it. So he drove it, and then all of a sudden, ABS light, traction control light, all-wheel drive function light, all that came on all at once. So I got it in here and I scanned it and had an issue with the left front sensor, right? So 9 times out of 10, it takes care of it. And by the way, if you live in a salt belt, plan on drilling that sensor out. I haven't had one yet that I've been able to just pull out with ease. Maybe in the southeast or south here, you can pull them right out, but not here. Anyway, so I put a new sensor in it, drove it, and once you know it, light still came on. Still the same thing. The sensor would read and drop out. So it's either gonna be wiring or wheel bearing. Now this thing has sat a lot, and I'm gonna show you something right over here. All right, so here's the wheel bearing, and there's a printed magnetic face on here basically. There's not much, you can see where it's missing. So that would explain every time the sensor had this go past, it would drop out on the miles per hour. So this vehicle is getting a new hub on top of the sensor. So I'm throwing this video out to you. I guess this would apply to any vehicle with this type of setup, all right? So we can start with the sensor. It might be the wheel bearing. We can start with the wheel bearing, but it might be the sensor, you know? And you should always tell the customer too that just remember you have 3 more of these on the vehicle. So this one goes bad, the other one could go bad. So I just wanted to share this with you guys, and if it helps you out, avoid kind of a headache, that's great. And looking forward to getting more material out to you. Hey, if you like this video, please do. If you want to subscribe, that would be great. And also, you may or may not be able to with this video, but give me a hype. When the video first comes out, it's really going to help my channel to grow and give you more content. So you have yourself a great weekend, great night, great day, whatever's in front of you. All right? I appreciate you. See ya.